how to apply flawless neutral makeup that I used in my day-to-day life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrugla. I will share a few common mistakes that I have discovered with my practice, like where to place the bronzer, highlighter and the blush. Let's begin tying my hair with the hair clips. Applying a Go Pure Glycopeptide Anti-Wrinkle Cream to my face for moisturizer. I'm blending with my fingers. Invisible sunscreen. Unseen sunscreen has a 40 SPF and is completely invisible. This is the clear sunscreen and it's suitable for all the skin types. This is ideal sunscreen for underneath my makeup, and I'm blending with my fingers around my eyes. Let's wait for 5 minutes before begin working on the face. In the meantime, let's add dimension to my brows using Anastasia Beverly Hill Gel Eyebrows, and the shade is Ebony. This color is very close to the black color, but it is not completely black. And applying it with the two-sided angled brush. First I'm going to comb my eyebrow hair upward, and I'm going to fill in the brows with the brow gel on the opposite side to shape the hairs upward. Look at the difference between these eyebrows, means the right eyebrows and the left eyebrows. Let's come back to the face makeup. I am going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in the shade 4.5, and I'm going to apply it on my high points of my face, including my cheekbones, forehead, nose bridge and brow bone, and of course the chin, and I'm going to blend it with the tip of my fingers. That's the best tool to apply this filter. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Foundation. The shade is Warm 6. I learned from my error when applying the foundation, because I am adding 3 to 4 pumps was too much and made my makeup look so cakey. If you are looking for the flawless makeup, a couple of pumps, means one pump is one side and another pump is on another side, are all that are required. And one more thing, keep in mind, less is more for beautiful and flawless makeup. I am going to use the beauty blender to blend the foundation. First of all, let's learn how to use the damn beauty blender, because so many of you asking me how to use the damn beauty blender to look a seamless foundation. Take a look at this dry beauty blender. This is quite tiny. As I need the damn beauty blender, I am going to dip it into the water like this and squeeze off the extra water. Look at it, it expanded the size. And you can see the comparison. I have this older dry beauty blender in the darker shade, and this is the damp beauty blender, whereas the darker one is drier and the smaller in size. And look at how much bigger the damp beauty blender is. I am going to use the damp beauty blender to blend the foundation very gently. I am using the continuously bouncing motion to blend my foundation. The foundation looks seamless and soothing. Concealer Tarte Shape Tape. The shade is Sand. I am going to apply a couple of dots under my eyes, along with the both of the inner and outer corners of each of my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid bows and my chin. And I am going to wait until that concealer is become tacky. First of all, let's analyze where is the placement of bronzer. Bronzer will go from hairline to the jawline. I am using the bronzer from NARS, is the Sun-Kissed Cream Bronzer. The shade is Casino. I am using this MAC angled brush and applying and blending it. I have since learned the proper way to blend the bronzer. Now I am going to go from hairline to the jawline. Avoid including my back and forth motion. Before that, I used to do the back and forth motion and my face looks so muddy. Only in one direction from top to bottom. You have to start from hairline to the jawline. That's the correct way of the bronzer application. And the contouring the nose with the small brush. This small brush is the eyeshadow brush. It's very helpful to contouring the nose. Let's come back to the concealer. I'm tapping it underneath my eyes, blending it with the concealer brush, inner corners of my eyes, the nose, bridge of my nose, the forehead and the chin, and the cupid bows. Benefit Cosmetic Blush. The shade is Shell. I used to cover my cheeks with the blush in the past. The right approach to mix the makeup in the form of top to down, like a C shape, slightly curvy shape from the hairline on the cheeks, and avoid covering the entire cheeks. This approach appears very soft and flawless blush. Let's analyze where to place the highlighter on my cheekbones. Before, I was doing a straight angle. C shape on cheekbone is a proper technique to do the highlighter. This is the middle shade I'm using from Hourglass Ambient Volume 1 palette. This is the finest palette. If you love subtle shine, prefer to put it on your face. Let's move on to the eye makeup. Applying the brown shade all over the eyelid and bottom of very close to the lash line. Then blend the upper eyelid to soften the harsh lines. If you can see this natural color of eyelid, and if you prefer to use the natural eyelid color, you can completely skip this step. Instead of that, you can use the eyeliner. I will share a quickest method for applying eyeliner with you. Use the pencil eyeliner with the pointed end. Place the eyeliner to the outside corner like this way and take a look at it, how gorgeous eyeliner will come out. I want you to follow up with the NYX Professional eyeliner, which has a darker shade and can be applied on the top of my eyeliner and very close to the upper eyelid lash line. This is the new tool I recently discovered. This is the lash separator. Actually, I am combing my upper lashes because while applying the eyeliner, my eyeliner will stick on the eyelashes. So it is very useful tool for me nowadays. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara and applying on the top and bottom lashes. Lastly, applying a fake eyelashes. I'm so sorry, but I misplaced the cover of these eyelashes. I will definitely provide you the link to the similar product of these eyelashes in the description box below. This is the eyelash velour glue which sticks on the eyelashes beautifully. Charlotte Tilbury. The shade is Kiss and Tell Scarlet Red. This is a true red color. If you want your lipstick to last longer, don't forget the lip liner. Applying lip liner evenly across all over my lips. The lipstick I am using from NARS liquid lipstick. The shade is Shag. This lipstick makes lips appear fuller and bold lips, and I love the formula. This is a flawless neutral makeup look that I achieved after learning from my past failure. Hope this video will helpful to you. That is it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye for now.